In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in Proton Mail 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to preview your look so your inbox feels just right for you. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Proton Mail. Sign in so you land on your inbox. Everything we're doing happens right from the main mailbox view, so there's no need to dig through complicated menus. Once you're inside your inbox, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where Proton Mail keeps quick access to your personal settings. Look for the small gear icon. It's the universal symbol for settings, and in Proton Mail, it opens a compact panel that lets you adjust common preferences without leaving your inbox. Click the gear icon. A settings panel will appear on the right side of the screen. In this panel, look for the section labeled Theme. Proton Mail places it prominently so you can personalize your look in just a few seconds. You don't need to open a separate page. Everything you need is right here. Now, choose a theme you like. You'll typically see a selection that covers light options, darker options for low light environments, and a range of accent colors to match your style. Pick something that feels comfortable for your eyes and fits how and where you work. If you spend long hours in front of the screen, a darker theme can reduce glare. If you prefer crisp contrast and bright panels, a lighter theme may be best. To see a preview, simply click the theme you're interested in. Proton Mail applies the change instantly, so you can judge how the new colors look across your message list, folders, and reading pane. If it's not quite right, click another option and compare. There's no limit to how often you switch while you're deciding. The best part is that your preference is saved automatically. There's no save button to hunt for and no extra confirmation step. As soon as you click a theme, Proton Mail remembers it for you. The next time you open your mailbox, your chosen look will be there, ready to go. If you ever want to change it again, repeat these same steps. Open Proton Mail, click the gear icon in the top right, find Theme in the Settings panel, and pick the look you want. It's fast, it's reversible, and it's all about making your inbox feel like home. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly customized Proton Mail experience.